Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button besides it so that you get notified whenever I push up a new video. So students, yes, you read the title right, a €1,000 question. This was a math question which was asked in Finnish matriculation exam, okay, and the reward was actually €1,000 for anyone who's got the perfect score. And you won't believe that lot of students actually missed this reward of €1,000 because they could not solve this particular question. Okay, so let's begin. The question says ax square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we have to solve for a such that the equation has exactly one solution. Okay students, actually this question was so simple, but just because I think maybe the students were overconfident, or maybe because it was so simple that very minute detail was missed. Okay, and I'm going to show you where a lot of students made a mistake. But before beginning with that, if you like the way my channel is working, and if you like the way I'm picking all these questions and explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that tells the YouTube algorithm that these kind of math videos are important for anybody who is searching for math related topics. So in a way you will be helping someone else as well. Okay, so now let's understand. Students, can we say that this particular equation over here is nothing but a quadratic equation? And there are very few things about quadratic equation which everyone knows. That is, the quadratic equation has exactly one solution when delta is equals to 0. Okay, so what is delta? Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Okay, and if it is greater than 0, then it has real solution, and if this is less than 0, so this is greater than 0, and if it is less than 0, then it is said that the entire equation has imaginary solutions. Okay, so if you want to understand this delta in detail, then I've also made a separate video about it, the link of which will be available somewhere on the top as well as at the end of this video, also maybe in the description as well. Okay, so do go ahead and check that out. Okay, now students, let's first figure out what is the value of b square minus 4ac. So since we want only one solution, we are going to make it equal to 0. So now what is b? B is nothing but negative 5 the whole square minus 4. A is nothing but a, so we are going to keep it a. C is 2, so it's equals to 0. So we are getting 25 minus 8a is equals to 0. So a is equal to, I can say, 25 upon 8. Okay, now this is where students made a mistake, because most of them, they thought that this particular question ends over here. Okay, but there was a very small minute detail which most of them missed out on. Okay, now students, before me explaining that, I would like to give a special thanks to April Innovations, okay, because they have sponsored this video, and they have actually come up with an Indian app which is called as CamandDoc Scanner app. Okay, this is a much better replacement of Cam Scanner, because Cam Scanner is, as everyone knows, is a Chinese app and it does store a lot of data which is not ethical, but with CamandDoc Scanner nothing like that happens. Okay, so if you want to download this particular app, then the link of that is available in my description as well, so do go ahead and check it out. Okay, now coming back, where did the students made a mistake is nothing but here. I can say that here b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. It can have exactly one solution only if and only if a is not equal to 0. Okay, so my next answer would be that if a is equals to 0, then my value of x is coming out to be 2 by 5. Okay, now please understand, if I put a as 0 over here, can I say I get a linear equation? Okay, that is nothing but what? Minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. So let me write that down. Minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. And as we all know that a linear equation represents a straight line, and this particular equation, had a not been 0, then the entire question actually represents a parabola. Okay, and if this particular quadratic equation is supposed to have just one solution, then your parabola will look something like this. Okay, so it will just have one point, okay, where you can say the roots are equal, x1 is equals to x2, okay, and which is the case when it is this particular question. And if it was minus 5x plus 2, because if a was 0, then that equation would change and the look of that particular graphic, so rather let me tell you, if I graphically represent this question, it will look something like this. Okay, so I hope all of you all have understood, and for many such questions you can go ahead and check out my playlist as well. Also students, apart from that, a lot of you all have approached me with various questions. I deeply apologize because if I'm not on time, but I try to respond to your emails as much as possible, and I also try to make videos about your questions, but sometimes I get delayed in that, so do forgive me for that. But don't hesitate. Whenever you have any queries, do email me. I will at least give you the written solution. If I'm not able to make the video, I will at least send you the written solution maybe in 24 hours. Okay, not less, not greater than that. Okay, I also understand the urgency, so do give me 24 hours. Within that, I'll send you the solution. Okay, and apart from that, if you have any particular topic whose solution, or rather whose understanding is not bit clear, or you want to understand the concepts, then do let me know. I will also make a video about that as well. So that's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button for this particular video as well. Okay, so see ya, bye.